Good morning, everybody. It's Proctor Boy here, and today we are in the Mini Cooper S, and we're going to do the nice little drive in it. We're going to go and do some twists and turns on the roads and everything, see how it handles. Then we're going to take it on the highway and full throttle run it. This is completely stock. It's a 6-speed also. The speedometer you're seeing on the right is in kilometers an hour. Turning could be better, I'll admit that, unless you're gunning it into every curve, but who wants to do that? Nice little burnout. It's a little bit weird considering it's a right-hand drive car, but whatever. Corners are, it doesn't like to turn very well in this car, I'll say that. So like if I want to get around this guy, I gotta e-brake turn it to get around him. Not better. Little clutch turn there. Shift down to turn around here. Just gotta get used to this thing a little. E-brake turn. Little red line for a good time. We're about 90 miles an hour right now. 100 miles an hour. Let's turn to some traffic weaving. See some traffic weaving right here. Let's go down the side. It's got really good reactions once you get used to it. Turning could be a little bit better though. I find it's more stable than the last car I viewed, that's for sure. Last one I viewed was Volkswagen Corrado. It lost the back end every time you tried to forcefully turn on the highway. This one's a little bit better that way. See, like if I go like this, it stays on the road nicely. I'm actually getting off here, so I gotta turn around. It definitely has some nice pep to it though. You don't get that in a lot of cars these days. Let's try a little e-brake spin. Try an e-brake turn here. Not bad. Good for a Mini, I'll say that. So that was the view of the Mini.